What's up, guys? Let's continue back with another video. And no. Today I have news for you guys. Oh, bruh. What the? Oh, I got stuck. No, no. Where am I? I actually teleported through the wall. Alright, guys. Today I'm going to make. As you saw in the last video, I said I was going to make another character in Superhero Life 2. Since you guys loved that last video when I made this character right here, Naruto. Why am I talking like that? So yeah, now I am going to make, guess who? Sasuke. Oh, no. Not the can you switch? This guy, Sasuke. So yeah, let me just pause the video, make him, oh well, naked. I guess it's kind of weird. And I forgot to change the pants to a different color, but it's just, what was I gonna do? Pause the video. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm finally finished, and I just realized that it's gonna take it's gonna be really quick, not too quick, but like, yeah. And for some reason, I can't even move. It's not allowing me to move for some reason. So let's just ignore that. Wait, what? How come I can't throw? Wait, does that work? It does. Bro, it doesn't throw that far. I'll delete the ninja stars because I can't even do anything with them. It just keeps on. Okay, so let's just get started. So I'm gonna do a life hack, a superhero life 2 hack. Go in. Oh, so first you want to go to, I think, chest armor. No, you don't. Wait, can I get a different color? Like blue. Yeah, yeah. We need this upper whatever. I think that's it. Let's see, blue. No. No. No, and yeah. So, and then you need armor. And then so you just click to armor. I can't say it. And I think it's this. Was it this? Yeah, that. No, not that. Not gloves. Yeah, this one. These ones. Make that blue. Add item. And not that. This. Yeah, make that white, and then make it the what is that? I don't even know what texture that is. And then press add. Uh, what else? That's it. Yeah, it's gonna be super quick. And then now we're doing the life hack already. And I added a headband because I wanted to, but I forgot to delete it once I was like, you know. So you just want to reset, click the change thing, and then press swap identity, and then swap identity again. Wait, did I do it correctly? Wait, I think I messed up a little bit. Wait, let's just see. So you want to go to shirts, and t-shirt, and then make it blue, and then add item, and save. I don't know if I did this correctly. Oh no, I didn't do it correctly. Alright, let's just try that again. So reset. Let me just try it again. Edit. Swap identity. Press it once, because it'll not work if you press it a million times. Because it's gonna maybe, you know. So yeah, go to the shirts and t-shirts. Make that blue. Add item. Save. Oh, I forgot to do hairs. All right, yeah. All right, now you do it again, but then now we're going for pants. I'm gonna do another one for Kosuke. I think I told you about him. Oh, I messed up. All right, I think I told you about Kosuke in another video where I was like showing you guys my drawings, and then there was Kosuke. So I'm gonna make Kosuke in the next video, maybe tomorrow, cause I don't. I'm gonna go somewhere soon today, so I don't know. Shorts, white, this texture, that. So yeah, maybe I maybe gonna have time, cause I'm just going somewhere and like. Wait, how did I not do it correctly? Did I not switch identity? What? Why is it not quick before it reset? Wait, did it even? It already reset. Oh my god. This thing, bro. Reset quickly. There. Now swap identities. Pant. Uh, shorts. Short shorts. I think. Wait, is it short shorts or normal shorts? Wait, let me see. Yeah, it's normal shorts. Look at that. That does not look like uh shorts that you really want. Okay, let's try that again. Swap identities. Quick. Alright, switch my identities again. Go pants, normal shorts, white, and that. Yep. All right, now we just need to add hair. All right, and I'm not for people don't usually. Oh, I forgot about the boots. All right, I'll do that once I'm finished with the hair. Finish. Where's the hair? Hair. Was it? Which one was it? Scene hair. Yeah. And black. And I am. And then boots now. Boots. Tall super boots. Was it that? It's that. It was that. Add item. All right, now we're done. So that's Sasuke Uchiha. Oh, I can't move still. I'll reset and I'll leave and come back once I'm finished with this video. So, well, this is actually the end of the video, and I made a new intro. So thank you guys for watching. I don't have an outro. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. Get me to 100 likes. Uh, get me to 100 subscribers. Like this, smash that like button, and um actually, if this video gets 100 views and 10 likes, I'll just make it 10 likes. I will do another video with another character. It might be Kosuke or it might be another character because I started watching the Seven Deadly Sins. So maybe I'm gonna do one of the characters there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Blah 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 blah, and bye.